Hello everyone. In this video you will learn how to integrate JSON API via Retrofit2 in our Android project. The main programming of our app will be Java. I will show you our app. As you can see this app in this video. Let me open it. All the games are displayed on home screen. At topmost featured games are displaying. After that most played games are displaying. And after if you scroll down more, then you can see all random games are displaying. All these games are displaying using JSON API via Retrofit to get request. If you click on any games, then the game will open in your device browser, or you can use webview to open game URLs. But as you know, inside the webview games will not work properly. So that's why we have used device default browser to open the game's URL. Now we move to the category fragment. In the category fragment, the game's categories are displaying with images. With images it is displaying. The game categories are displaying dynamically using the Gamehubs categories API. If you click on any category, then games will shown accordingly to that category in the another activity. For example, let's me click on action category. Then it will show all the action games. As you can see, all these are action games. And if again we will click on any game in this activity, then the game will be opened in the device browser. For example, let me click on any game. For example, click here. It is opening in the device default browser. Let me go to back again. Now inside the main activity, you can see there is another tab which is locate me. In the bottom bar you can see. Let's click on it. Inside locate me fragment, I have used a different API to show you how to add or integrate multiple different APIs into our same project. It will display users current IP address with country code and country flag. As you can see at the action bar, we have a action button. Let's click on it. It will display about us info. We are using material alert dialog which display about us information, or you can show anything. You are totally free. Now go back to the home. Now you can see all these games are working perfectly, and in the bottom below the toolbar, AppLovin ads is banner ads is showing. We will also integrate and how to learn. You will also learn how to integrate AppLovin ads into your project from scratch. Now let me show you what you will learn during this project. During this project, the first step is introduction. Introduction is going on, and the second point is understanding of JSON API and get API key from gamehubs.net. Basically, guys, we are using Gamehubs API, which provides Games API for free, And the main other reason is that by playing games they also pay us. That's why I am making video on the gamehubs.net API. Now the third point is how to install Android Studio and set up dependencies. As you know, many beginners are there, but they do not know how to download and install Android Studio. So from scratch we will do it and set up required dependency which is required to run our app or use in this app. And fourth point is remove default fragments and create a directory structure. As you know that when we choose a Android Studio default activity or fragment, then there is many fragments. So we have to remove them because we will do accordingly in a different way. That's why. And if you want to be a professional, then we will create a directory structure. For example, in the directory structure, we will create some folders like that fragments, activity, modals, list, etc. Now the next point is create retrofit instance and API client and interface. After that, you will learn how to create a function class to call important function in your whole project. For example, you want to show a toast message to your users every time in whole projects many times. That's why we will create a short function which will show a toast message without writing long code every time. Next part is create fragment for categories, list and recycler view for games category. As you can see in our app, we have a category fragment. The category is showing app showing categories, which is showing images and a title. And we have used material card view. So you can use any other things simple or make it simpler, or you can use any layouts instead of card view. But we have used card view because of it looks impressive and looks good. That's why you are totally free to use anything layout or any other things. Next point is set up fragment list layout and recycler view for home fragment. As you know, this is our home fragment. In the home fragment, the three sections are displaying, right? And all these three sections, we have used three recycler view to show three sections, and three sections fetching using three different API endpoints. We will talk about it later. Now the next point is how to integrate another API. Basically, API is from a IP address API into our same project. As we have talked about locate me, in this locate me tab, we have used a IP address API which shows users IP address. So we will talk about it and how to integrate it with our existing project. We will also learn about it. Now, next point is integrate AppLovin Max sets. Max is the AppLovin's default mediation partner. They provide banner, interstitial, reward, video ad, and many other ad format, but we will include only these. We will learn about them, how to integrate successfully or set up on-click events step by step. Next point is set up app logo in our Android Studio project. As you know, our app have a logo. Let me show you. Let me minimize it. As you can see, this is our app logo, which shows what about our app. So we will learn how to add logo to our project. Finally, when the app is ready, we will start creating APK and app file for Play Store. After getting APK or app file, you can upload app to your Play Store. We will also upload our app to Play Store to show you how you can do that step by step. Thanks for watching.